Masti time.
हेलो किड्स, वेलकम टू कलर हंट एडवेंचर। आज हम सीखेंगे अमेजिंग कलर्स रेड, ब्लू, ग्रीन, येलो। आर यू रेडी? लेट्स गो एंड फाइंड सम कलर्स टुगेदर।
This is red color fove, red apple, red car, red balloon.
This is blue color, blue sky, blue balloon.
This is green color, sash, green frog, ribbit, green tree, ribbit, green grass, ribbit. This is yellow color fove, yellow sun, yellow banana, yellow duck. This is purple color, purple grapes, purple butterfly. I am purple. I am royal and beautiful. Wow, so beautiful. This is brown colored tart, brown chocolate, brown bear, brown tree trunk. This is orange color, orange fruit, orange balloon, orange car. I am orange. I am bright, happy, and full of energy.
This is white, white rabbit, white cloud, white snowman. White is clean and peaceful. Wow, all the colors came together and made a beautiful rainbow. Red, blue, yellow, green, orange, purple, brown, white. Learning colors is so much fun. Bye-bye, friends.
Great job! You learned all colors today.
See you again in Color World. Bye-bye.